Happy Thanksgiving from all of us here at Steinbring Motor Coach. We hope you have an incredible time with family and friends this weekend as you celebrate. But to help our celebration, I want to show you the brand new 2023 that we just got in for the 3547 New Aire. This coach is incredible. New for 23, this floor plan is a bath and a half floor plan. It is equipped as you would expect all the New Aires to be. It features many of the components you find in the Essex and the King Aire, from the bonded windows, Mobileye, all electric. But this is a bath and a half footprint in this 35-foot coach. It is beautiful inside and out. We're sitting in the Marvella decor package with the light woodwork behind me, and we have a special paint job on the exterior of this coach as well. I hope you enjoy this little tour that we'll give you, but for more information, visit us at our website, which is www.steinbring.com, and for more information, call us at 320-834-6333.